So it is 11th day. It means 10 days of my resolution has been completed. Yesterday I have uploaded a video on a topic that was importance of book. I have mentioned a lots of points and lots of advantages through which we can improve any language apart from our regional language with the help of just reading books. I have also mentioned many points. You can watch that video, and in today's video I am gonna talk about importance of education. In today's world, education is the necessity of every Indian, or we can say that apart from India also, because if we go to the 20 or 40 years before, people were not too much educated, even though also they have much talent. But in nowadays, people, even those who are getting education and they are studying well, but they will not be able to solve that sums which have been solved by the peoples who were around 20 or 40-year old. So it's all about the today's video, that why education is important and what are the advantages of education, what are the factors that we can get educated in which fields. So I am starting my today's video with the point that how education is important in today's world. Apart from taking jobs, means if we wanna take jobs, then education is important, we know. But even if we are not going to take or pursue any exam, or not wanna work in any office, even if we want to be an entrepreneur and we want to start our startup, even this also we need to be well educated, because in today's world any people is getting influence with the help of educated people only. If a person who is not well educated and if he starts any startup, then it will less chance to get his startup in a success startup, and he will not be getting his goals which he have decided while starting his business. Because in business there are many multi-factors which can only be solved with the help of education only. We can also hire a manager, and then if we are not educated, then we can hire a manager, he will solve all the problems, but ultimately he will do many misappropriations and we will lose a lot. So for this it is necessary to even educated that much, so that we can carry on our own business. We need not to hire many managers and many educated peoples. So if we go to the some time before, like 40 or 60-year-olds, like our grandfather or our father, that in that time education was not that much important, because there were no people were educated. They used to know a single language, that was their regional language. If they belongs to Mumbai, Maharashtra or some south points, they will used to use English. But when we come to the center of India, like MP, UP or Bihar, they used to talk in Hindi. So it is important in today's world to know at least two languages. One, that's our common or regional language, and the another one that is common in every part of India. Like we can choose English, because only English is a language which is common in India, and even a person do not know some language, then it is compulsory for him to know at least a single language that is common, and it is India, because it is sorry, not India, it is English, because it is widely accepted by the world, not only India, by the world. It means if we wanna travel out of our country, means out of our India, in any country like US, Canada, anywhere, English is important, because they don't know the regional languages, or even we don't know the regional languages. They talk in English, so it is necessary for us to learn English. So I am diverting to the point English while my topic was education. Actually it's my problem that I don't have much ideas on topic on which I am creating videos, so I get diverted and come to the topic on which I can speak too much. That's why I get diverted. So our point was education, and I was telling that education is important because nowadays anyone who is success, we know he is well educated, or there are some exceptions which are not, who are not educated and they are even success, but these peoples are of high age. Means I already told you that the people of around 20 or 40 years ago who taken birth are not educated, but they are also super talented, like our grandfather, our great grandfather or great grandmother. They even calculate a lot of sums without even calculator, now which we can't calculate profits and all percentage with the help of calculator. Before us, they will calculate with the help of their hands only, even they didn't go to school even a single day. So it is an advantage of getting knowledge. The main intention of getting education is getting intelligent. With the help of any points, it need not to go to many higher educations institutes or wasting a lot of money. We can also be at a single or at a not much popular place. We can take our education, or we can complete our education from ordinary school or ordinary college, and then if someone want to continue his further studies, then they will go to civil services, want to civil servants. Even some people want to see a chartered accountant or many more. I already told that someone want to continue and they want to be entrepreneur, means they are trying to introduce a new market in their world. They are trying to be comes in the light of day. They want to be success. So they, for these things, they will need to be even at least graduate, because in our country our education system is not that much well or that much good. Because if a person is attending 90%, 95% in 10th or 12th, that will not be even valuable, because how he get this percentage? With the help of cheating, with the help of taking help from the teachers or from the students who are sitting besides them. So this knowledge will not help them anymore in the world, because even when they show this result to someone who, like if they wanna do some job, then they will show his certificates to the interviewer who is taking his interview. Then he will get to it and he will see that, oh, it's nice, you have gained 90% or 95% in your 10th and 12th. These grades are too much and too good. So, but when he will ask you a questions, or he will just bombarded with your questions, then you will realize that this is only a piece of paper with 90% or 95%. Even it's not useful for a single thing. We can't take anything, we can't take any job with the help of that piece of paper, because ultimately the thing which matters is our knowledge. Even a person who didn't cheat in his exam, or he graduate with the percent of only 60 or 70, and he gained that percent with his knowledge, then he will be able to get the job, because he not only about academics, he have also a knowledge about his world, what is happening in today's world and in our scenario, in our environment. So actually basically knowledge is important, not that grade or that percentage, because I said that knowledge and percentage both are different, and these both are just opposite. Knowledge can't be get with the cheating or with taking some help. It comes gradually, but marks can be obtained with the help of doing cheating. And in one way also grades are not important, because have we seen the pandemic, at the time of pandemic COVID-19, people get just passed without giving examination or without even sitting in classroom. So how can we judge them intelligent with the help of the seat which we get the percentage without even going to college, an institution, any class or any school? So these marks are only piece of paper. No one says lie, they say true, because these percentage are taken with the help of the government in the pandemic. So ultimately the point is we have to gain percentage with the help of our knowledge only.